Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to always open Brave browser in private mode on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Brave shortcut you normally use to launch the browser. This could be on your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once you've found it, right-click on that shortcut and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a window where you can modify how the shortcut behaves when you click it. In the Properties window that opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Shortcut tab if it's not already selected. This tab contains all the settings that control how your Brave browser launches, including the path to the program and any special commands you want to run alongside it. Now look for the field labeled Target. This box shows the full file path to the Brave executable on your computer. Click once inside this target box so you can see the entire path displayed. You'll notice it's a long string of text that points to where Brave is installed on your system. Next, you need to navigate to the very end of that line in the target field. Click at the end of the existing text so your cursor is positioned right after the last character. This is where you'll add the command that forces Brave to open in private mode every single time. After positioning your cursor at the end, type 1 space. Then type 2 dashes followed by the word incognito. So it should look like --incognito at the end of your target path. This command tells Brave to automatically launch in private browsing mode, which means no browsing history, cookies, or site data will be saved during your session. Once you've added that command, click the OK button at the bottom of the Properties window to save your changes. This applies the new setting to your shortcut and prepares it for use. You might see a prompt asking for administrator permission depending on your system settings. If that happens, simply click Continue to complete the operation. This confirms that you want to modify the shortcut with elevated permissions. Now, go ahead and double-click the Brave shortcut on your desktop or wherever you saved it. Brave should now launch directly in private mode, indicated by the darker theme and the private browsing icon in the corner. From this point forward, every time you use this shortcut, Brave will automatically open in incognito mode without you having to manually enable it each time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.